kitties. Yeah. Today, our vlog is going to be on our kittens in the cute mama. And see, they are enjoying the tail of her mama, kitty mama. See, I back at these. They were playing in my lawn and they were enjoying the environment. And so now she got tired, the cute kitten, and our lazy mama isn't playing with them. She took shirt of my daughter and oh my god, she's enjoying and playing. And when I saw her cute act, then I decided to capture it in. So do you do? See the way she's playing with the mama tail. Mama tail. And this one is scary. I mean, she's scared. She's scared of getting out of here. And her other sister is, like you can say, the kitty sister is very brave. She don't get off anyone and playing with the tail of her mama. So I always enjoy their fun with each other. And today I decided to show you guys too that how this cute kitty in this cute weather is enjoying the, you can say, a lazy time or kind of relaxation or meditation which we human beings used to do. Today she is doing the same. Oh my god. And the other one is still there. See how cute she is. Both of them are staring at me at what this person is going to do with us, and they both are really sensitive. When I just tap up, they got scared. See, when I just whistle a bit, they get scared. See? They are so clever. The other one went back over there. This one is brave. She went to her kitten sister. I don't know what the genders are, but I call them like this. And they're lazy mama, all time sleeping like this. Today routines of them are almost finished now. They're going back to the living area. I hope you guys like this video. Just like, share, subscribe, and do most the kind of comments which will promote our channel. Thank you, take care, bye bye.